Okay, so welcome to another episode of क्रिक बकर। तो आज का टॉपिक सिंपल है, टीम अनाउंस हो चुका है थर्ड टेस्ट के लिए। ऑल्दो आई डोंट अग्री विद द सिलेक्शन, मेरे हिसाब से मयंक को और चांसेस मिलने चाहिए थे। सैनी ऑल्सो आई थिंक इज अ रॉन्ग चॉइस। सो मेरे हिसाब से तो ये टेस्ट का सिलेक्शन रॉन्ग हुआ है, but we will take opinion of our esteemed and knowledgeable guests. So, starting with Rahul. So, what do you feel? रोहित तो ऑब्वियसली आना ही था, चलो ठीक है, लेकिन मयंक को निकालना ठीक था क्या? दैट इज द मेन पॉइंट. And why not have a left arm seamer and add variety? And why to have a similar kind of bowling? So, your views on that?
Hmm. So starting with Rohit, अब मतलब I think one important thing to note here is कि ये पक्का है कि रोहित आ रहा है तो he is coming as an opener. He
Yes.
has played the last few tests as an opener and you can't demote him to a number 5, number 6 slot, right? Given that Rahane is batting well at number 4. So अगर वो opener है, so do you want to, again, if you are keeping Mayank and removing Vihari, तब क्या हम जो गिल अच्छा खेल रहा है उसको डिमोट करें या फिर मयंक जो स्पेशलिस्ट ओपनर है उसको डिमोट करें इन बैटिंग ऑर्डर, राइट? So both the solutions were non-optimal solutions. So I think the hand was forced rather than getting the best combination. Vihari के साथ plus point ये है कि he somewhat did his job at that position, and the second thing is that everyone is vying for the opener slot. कि कोई ऐसा established number 5 slot वाला player नहीं है. Had KL been there, probably you could have thought कि क्या KL can also play in middle order. Can we have KL instead of Vihari? But Rohit के लिए तो I think no other option was left other than removing Mayank. मतलब I still think he has a future and Mayank will get his chances in due course. But इस बार तो मुझे नहीं लगा कि team the captains and the coach could have done anything else as far as Rohit and Mayank swap is concerned. जो bowling वाला part है for Navdeep Saini, so I'm not a big fan. So is still a very much untested commodity. But ये question है, ये point सब तीनों के लिए ही है, be it Shardul Thakur or be it Natarajan. It's the same point. So I would there's not too much to talk about it. अगर nets में इनको लगा कि भाई ये Saini can do the job and Saini can do the similar job what Umesh was doing, right? Bowl fast, bowl in the channels, bounce people more. हो सकता है कि वो देख के इन्होंने लिया उसे.
नहीं, लेकिन मेरा
Yeah.
पॉइंट ये है कि डोंट यू थिंक कि ये वैरायटी नहीं है? मतलब एवरीवन इज सेम काइंड ऑफ सीमर. मतलब बुमराह ओके, इज अ
नहीं
वर्ल्ड क्लास बॉलर.
so we have only two क्या बोले ये तो तीनों अलग ही है ना, बुमराह, सिराज एंड सैनी. all three are different, right?
डिफरेंट बट स्टिल एक लेफ्ट आर्म सीमर वाला वैरायटी डोंट यू थिंक थोड़ा सा स्पाइस अप कर सकता था?
हाँ, but just for the sake of left arm नहीं ले सकते ना. the left arm seamer has to be someone who is good. तो even जब ये शामी भी injured हुआ, you drafted Shardul Thakur, right? You did draft Natarajan. Even though Natarajan was practicing with the squad, he was the practice bowler in the nets. तो उसके बाद भी आपने नटराजन को उस समय ओवरलुक किया, तो you might have seen something, right? That's why you have overlooked that.
Yeah, and I think
So I'll go with the team management.
yeah. शार्दुल ठाकुर एक मैच खेल चुका है एक्चुअली, एक टेस्ट मैच ना पहले.
हाँ, Shardul Thakur is also the most experienced out of the three in terms of first class cricket as well.
Yeah.
But हो सकता है कि between बुमराह, सिराज एंड सैनी जो तीन राइट आर्मर्स है, ये तीनों अलग अलग तरह के बॉलर है. They might have wanted someone who is fast and who can bowl those bouncers consistently. So that is what I think. इसलिए लिया गया उसे.
करेक्ट. थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा जिप तो है सैनी, 140 के ऊपर तो डालता है आई थिंक.
हाँ.
मयंक आई थिंक तेरा तो यही सिलेक्शन था टीम का ना?
Yeah, almost. I mean, yeah, after second test, I think यही होना था. Expected तो यही था. But I didn't agree with the second test selection. But third test का तो I think this was the only selection possible based on the circumstances.
बट इसमें
But सैनी का ही था.
मेरा
Between Sani or Shardul, I won't even say Natarajan because, as Rahul mentioned, right, he was the second replacement. So probably you were not even expecting him to play first up. But if you look at those nets session and the coverage around the net practice yesterday, you would see that Sani was the one. So as Rahul said, like team management, uh, you saw that he was doing better in the nets, so he gets a nod in. Simple.
and batting lineup, don't you think Vihari got a easier time to bat? Ball भी soft हो गया था and Rahane was already in good nick. So वो जो 25-26 रन बनाया, I think that was easy runs compared to what Mayank Agarwal had to face. That initial burst from Stark could have taken any wicket. I mean, Mayank was just unfortunate
No,
to.
but you cannot compare the two. The job of Mike Agarwal is to open.
And
That's his
that is a
skill
more
set,
difficult
right?
task,
That's
to be
his
fair.
technique. Exactly. And we are not comparing the two people as batsmen. And it's not like कि हाँ भैया ये better batsman है तो इसको 5 नंबर पे खिला लो and VRE को हटा दो. It's not even like that. You have specialists for position, right? And
After
that is what
only
happens.
one
You have
match,
a specialist opener.
is Gill your specialist opener? I mean, उसको तो 5 नंबर पे
No.
भेजा जा सकता था ना?
Yeah, and that is why I didn't agree with the selection in second test. I think in second
बट
test,
वो वर्क किया ना. सी इट वर्कड राइट.
yeah, it worked.
अभी उसको कैसे चेंज कर सकते हो आप? जो कॉम्बिनेशन
नहीं,
से आप जीत रहे हो, जो बैट्समैन अच्छा कर रहा है, 2 इनिंग अच्छा खेला है, उसको तो आप कैसे हटा सकते हो अभी?
exactly.
नहीं, बट पिछला टेस्ट सीरीज जो आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जीते हैं, उसमें तो मयंक अग्रवाल का बड़ा हाथ था ना?
उस टेस्ट सीरीज में बिहारी भी ओपन किया है, तो आप अभी बिहारी को वापस कर दो
हाँ.
ओपन स्लॉट में.
बिहारी ओपन किया था, लेकिन वो डेजिग्नेटेड ओपनर नहीं था, वो एक इंजरी के हिसाब से ओपन किया था उसने. बट ठीक है.
नहीं, बट पॉइंट ये नहीं है. आई देखो, इफ यू डोंट ड्रॉप मयंक देन इट्स आल्सो अनफेयर ऑन पृथ्वी शॉ. उसको कैसे ड्रॉप कर दिया आफ्टर जस्ट वन मैच?
यार पृथ्वी
उतना
शॉ
सोच के नहीं होता
प्रॉमिसिंग
कि
ही नहीं
पृथ्वी शॉ
लगता
के
है.
साथ
राइट.
नहीं, पृथ्वी शॉ सीन में ही नहीं है अभी.
तो वही
उसका
है.
उसके साथ क्या फेयर है अनफेयर है,
नहीं,
ऐसे
I'm
सोच
saying
के नहीं होता है
it's
खिलाड़ी.
the same thing, right? जब
नो,
सेकंड का सिलेक्शन तुमने ये सोचकर किया था कि ओके एक बैट्समैन परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है और खाली वन मैच के बाद यू ड्रॉप एंड यू ब्रिंग अनदर पर्सन हु इज नॉट इवन अ स्पेशलिस्ट ओपनर, right? You get him in, he performed. Now it's the same thing that's happening in third test. To happen with Rohit Sharma coming in, you cannot drop the person who has performed in last match. You have to drop the person who did not perform in last 2 matches. So I mean, there was nothing else you could do now.
सही बात है, बट मेरे को ऐसा
And
लगता है
as I said
कि
earlier also,
टेस्ट मैच जो फॉर्मेट है ना, उसमें रीसेंट फॉर्म से ज्यादा आपका क्लास और आपका जो एबिलिटी है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. जैसे इवन
I
दो
totally agree.
हाँ, बट आप कॉन्ट्ररी टू क्लास मतलब फॉर्म नहीं जा सकते ना, जब सीरीज ऑन द लाइन है एकदम. और जो अच्छा कर रहा है अभी आप उसको चेंज करें, तोड़ मोड़ करें, दैट डजंट मेक सेंस.
See, it's also a combination of win or loss, because if you remember, I think it was England series where Pujara was dropped and Rohit was preferred. Rohit was in form and
That was a
Pujara was
disaster.
playing county
Yeah.
and he can perform there. And that turned out to be a disaster. You did it on form. And Rohit didn't do anything bad, but you missed Pujara because what Pujara does is completely different. You gave
Of
that role
course.
to Rane, he didn't do well. In the next match, you dropped Rohit for no mistake of his. So that's the problem, and that's what I have seen, especially under Kohli's captaincy. captaincy, that you're not backing players enough. So that's again a completely different discussion.
नहीं. So I think there is a मतलब ये थोड़ा सा अलग कैन ऑफ वर्म्स मतलब ओपन हो जा रहा है बट मुझे जो लगता है कि Kohli doesn't back Pujara as much as he backs other players, all right? Because his style of playing doesn't fit into Kohli's vision of what India, how India should be playing. Right. So that is the reason why Pujara was dropped for the England tour. Yeah. Kohli wanted more aggressive players जो जल्दी बनाए run rather than टुकुर करे wicket बचाए ठीक है. And
better strike rate.
that was a mistake. That was a big mistake. उसके बाद कोहली को भी समझ में आया कि that was a mistake, right?
Yeah. Correct है. And जैसे अभी पुजारा might have failed in the first two tests, but आप उसको ड्रॉप करने के बारे में सोच ही नहीं रहे क्योंकि वो उस लेवल का प्लेयर बन गया है. So maybe मयंक अग्रवाल को टाइम है वो लेवल पे आने के लिए. But he is the future opener जैसा मैं देखता हूँ उसको. Maybe अभी ड्रॉप हुआ है.
And that's why I was not in the favor of Gill opening. I think he would have fitted better in middle order probably. But again, now he has performed.
But middle order में feature में कोई जगह नहीं है. See, once you have Kohli back and Rahane there, you don't have a slot in middle order.
Yeah, in fact, Viari का भी मुश्किल है अभी. अगर जडेजा फिट हो गया.
नहीं, when you have जडेजा है, हार्दिक पांड्या है, I don't see Viari as a long-term solution.
Correct.
Yeah, I don't think he will play. Not even the home series mostly.
You need to have Pandya fit, right? Also.
Yeah. So ठीक है, selection is done. Nothing can be done. But I don't agree with this. Hopefully Saini does well. But मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है कि सिडनी का पिच पे स्मिथ बहुत मारेगा उसको. क्योंकि पेस और बाउंस से तो उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है नहीं यार, वो तो वहीं पले बड़े. इट्स ओनली द स्विंग एंड द क्राफ्ट ऑफ बॉलिंग, उसी से प्रॉब्लम होता है उसको.
तो सिडनी इज नॉट नोन फॉर पेस एंड बाउंस. सिडनी में स्पिन करेगा और अपना अश्विन चमकेगा.
Yes, Ashwin will take him.
अश्विन तो खैर करेक्ट. ठीक है, लेट्स होप सो.